I'm just scrolling here through some tool storage. Um, Not bad here, guys. 398. All right, you got 6 drawers on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so it's a 12 drawer combination. Save 200. Again, and you have to look at how deep the drawers are, guys. The one thing about this Milwaukee too, I talk about. I think these are 20 inch, 20 inch. All right. Now, if you look at the 46 inch, if we can find it here, and we'll go through these again real quick, but that's why I don't really like. Yeah. Well, I don't know how. Yeah, this is the old one. Um, 798, guys, and it's hard to recommend this one, guys. Not only is it 200, it's unbelievable. Not only is this not only is this $200 more. Let me see if I can find the specs here. Yeah. 16 inches. All right. 15.9 inches. All right. So it's, and you can see it, it's kind of thin on the side, right? I mean, it is a 16 drawer, but if they're not that deep, so 15.9. And if you look at this 61 inch here, let's see what we can find here. $23.9. All right. So, much deeper than that 46 inch, guys. All right. And you can kind of tell just by looking at the side of it, hopefully. All right. So you got some pretty wide. I actually thought they were like 20 inches, but 23. And I'm getting a lot of questions about, I don't think it's going to go any lower. People are asking on Cyber Monday. I don't think that's going to go any lower. This isn't bad either. This was actually $798 last year. You heard me talk about it in the live video. And another thing with this deal too, guys, if you want to order it online, now in store, I've only seen black. All right. I haven't seen any of these other colors, but there is some other colors. But if you get the other colors, all right, I don't know what the difference between that one is. Oh, this has the black handles. But the black is the only one that's 748. 348, excuse me. This looks kind of thin too. But this one, $14.7. All right, 14.7. This is $99. Huh. I never seen this one, guys, to be honest with you. Yeah, it's got 0 reviews. So, I don't know. I've never seen this one. This might be the $99. Like, last year they kind of had that little one, that 26-inch with the pegboard. I mean, you get 5 drawers here, and you get that top. You're going to get that bottom. Like, actually, you get more than that. Like, 5 drawer. 1, 2. Oh. That's a bar there. All right, 1, 2, yeah. So 5, and then you get the cabinet. I'm sure this is, you're going to get what you pay for here. I'm sure it's very thin metal here. 14 inches in depth. $184, $348. What's that difference between these two? Oh, so this is the 9 drawer. How come I just hit this one and it said that it was 3? So this is the same one, except it has the black handle. So I don't know. I guess order it from that link, because I just hit it here, right? Where's the different color? Unless this is a different one. I don't know. 9 drawer. 46-inch. $35. We saw this in the store, the plastic toolbox there. Yeah, this is $698, guys. We saw this in store. It's $100 more than the Milwaukee. I mean, it's another. It's an option as well. 119. Here's that rigid. So 26-inch, 119 plus 114. $230 for this one here. There's the backpack. Yeah, this is the old one. Like I said, it's pretty thin, guys. You're not going to get too much drawer storage in there. Look at this one. That's pretty nice looking now. And they got white. White, baby. Oh, look at this thing. Holy smokes. Heavy duty 80-inch. 80-inch.
Hey there, I'm Pete with DIYPete.com, and let's take a look at this 80-inch 10-drawer tool chest and cabinet combo from Husky. This 3-piece tool storage unit comes in a matte black finish. Its overall dimensions are 80 inches in width by 24 inches deep and 71.2 inches high. The top right unit opens to create a work area with a pegboard to hang your tools and a power strip for charging them. Then the locker on the left bolts on the side of the unit and features 2 adjustable shelves, which have lots of room for tools or anything else you'd like to store. You can load it up with sporting goods, camping gear, or whatever you'd like to keep in it. It features 10 drawers and a side locker, creating 84,025 cubic inches of storage capacity. The drawers vary in depth, so you have some for larger tools and others perfect for storing wrenches and hand tools. The drawers have 100-pound rated soft closing slides, while the extra deep bottom drawers and the full-length top drawer has double 100-pound slides. I really like how heavy-duty the drawers are and how smooth they open and close, and that soft close feature is definitely a nice addition as well. Husky provides you with premium pre-cut drawer liners for each drawer and for the work area. They'll protect the metal and prevent the tools from moving around. All 3 units are going to have a barrel key lock system to keep your tools and or gear protected. It comes with a rechargeable magnetic LED work light with 3 different light modes. The light easily moves where you want it to go, and it can be plugged in or run wirelessly by charging it with the USB connection. There are 2 built-in power strips, so you'll be able to charge and plug in as many items as you need. The top work center has 8 outlets with 2 USB ports, and the USB port is super handy for keeping your phone charged while you're working out in the garage or any other small electronics. The side of the cabinet has 6 outlets with 2 USB ports as well. The units are made of heavy-duty 19-gauge steel, which gives it a 2,500-pound loading capacity, and the 6 industrial-grade swivel casters with brakes and 2 non-swivel wheels make it really easy to move the storage system around the garage and to lock the wheels when it's in place. If you're looking for a tool and gear storage solution that's heavy-duty, has tons of room, a work center, and won't break the bank, then I definitely...
That thing is pretty sweet, I have to say. How cool is it with the plugs? Man, you had a lot there. Looked like you had at least 8. You can put your chargers. Oh, that's nice. 1,300 smacks, though. That ain't cheap. But, considering, I'll tell you what, I'd rather have this in a hot second over that Milwaukee for 1,500. That's damn skippy. 72-inch 18 drawer. Huh. And you guys, I guess, let me see if you can still get this online. I've been here. Yeah, it's still available, guys. A lot of stores, guys, have been sold out. So if you were looking for this, this is still available. $798, $319. We'll do one more. Yeah, $14.98. I don't know. In store, it's a little bit cheaper. $449 for 46-inch. Yeah, it's no good. Might as well spend the extra. This is just the bottom of the 746 one. Here's a wood top. If you're getting a workbench. Yeah, we saw this one. $398. This isn't bad. Oh, wow. See, if you get red, it's cheaper here. $398. Yeah, that's the one I decided to do the video. I said, you know what? It's not bad. If you're on a budget, This they took 150 off of. All right, this is the new one. You do get that little push button there, lock. But again, I think Blaine Farm and Fleet even has it more off. I think they're another $50 off. I think you get it for like $650. Because you saved $400. So I think at Milwaukee, at Home Depot, you're going to save $300. But yeah, they still have this, guys. I know a lot of you guys actually got this too. Oh, look, yeah, $398. Whatever. It's not bad. I actually got it. I have to put it together. And here's another cart, guys. We talked about that DeWalt cart yesterday. That's nice looking too. We talked about that DeWalt cart, and it was like $75. Here you're getting 3 drawers. You're getting a wood top. Not bad if you're on a budget. And this one, I tell you, we talk about it looks so much like the U.S. General. I would not be surprised if this came out of the same factory. I wish they had all the funky colors. They actually have 2. I don't know how South Carolina came up. But it looks like it, guys. See, this is a 33-inch. What is the U.S. General? Now they have a 5 drawer. This is a 4 drawer. Look at this one. Is this the same one that we were just looking at? 56-inch. Okay, that's why. $498. Tell you, they got a lot of storage stuff over here at Home Depot. Man. 52-inch. This one was a 56. There's a 52. Um, yeah, this one's a 46. So for another 150, you can get a blue one. That's a 56. All right, folks. Yeah, here's a 46. All black. All right, folks. I'll put this under, guys, if you want to take a look at this. But didn't pack out. But the DeWalt Tough System's still available too, guys, for $98. All right. The rigid ended, guys. They found out. No more $71. I apologize. But if you're looking for some tool storage, check it out. Peace.